Meaning of inexplicably.
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 Inexplicably. The word inexplicably refers to something that cannot be explained or understood. It represents a situation where the reason behind an event is mysterious or puzzling. In other words, it denotes an outcome that has no rational explanation. For instance, if a car suddenly catches on fire without any apparent cause, we can describe it as an inexplicable event. Similarly, if a person abruptly disappears without leaving any trace, it can also be called an inexplicable incident. Inexplicable events can be frustrating because they leave us with no clear answers, leaving us to wonder and speculate about what may have caused them.